Hello everyone, we have another Tesla FSD 14.2.2.5 winter FSD end-to-end self-drive. We are in a snow event. We've got the snow falling. We've already gotten 32 inches of snow just a couple days ago, and we're just buried. So we got more snow here. We're gonna go ahead and try to go to the supermarket. I need to pick up some flowers. So we've put our destination in the navigation. We'll go ahead and we'll say start self-drive. We're going to back out of here and try to get to the main road. We'll see how the roads are doing. I'm in Sloth Mode right now. Hopefully the roads are better than yesterday. They were pretty bad yesterday. It also says FSD supervised may be degraded. Poor weather detected. So we'll see. We did a nice reverse out. We'll proceed down this corridor. Try to hold my phone a little steady here because it likes to wobble. I've adjusted my camera angle just a little bit to give us a little more of our wheel visibility. We're going to get to the main road. We'll take a left. We got some high snowbanks, like over 6 feet high. So we'll try to see around them. Looking good all around, and we'll make it out onto the road. We feel really good. We didn't slide at all. That's great. We don't really see any road surface in front of us, and we have plenty of snow. This is not clean roads by any standard. We'll come to the end of this road and we'll take a left-hand turn. We have a very large snowbank over here. We have a UPS truck coming from our left. He's going to go straight across. We have other cars coming here. We'll try to see around the snowbanks. And I think we're looking clear, so we'll pull out. And we make a nice pull out of that road. We didn't slip or slide. That's pretty good. The roads feel a little narrower. I know that the snowplow crews are doing the best they can to keep up with the snow. So much. The roads are not really very smooth because of all the snow on them. They lifted the travel ban yesterday, so we're able to drive, but the roads are not great. This is an all-wheel drive 2026 Model Y. So all-wheel drive is really good for New England. If I had just rear-wheel drive, I'm not sure how we would be doing. But I'm glad I have the all-wheel drive. here, so we'll make our left-hand turn. Here we have a downhill. Looks like it's been, there's only a little slush here, so that's great. Looks like the city sidewalk plower is totally jammed up. The guy's trying to clear that chute. Trying to plow sidewalks here. It's way too high. Up ahead, we'll take a soft right, and we have a yield. We'll put on our right signal very shortly for that. And there's our right signal. We do have a yield here, so we'll see if anyone's coming. It looks clear, so we're good. This road surface is a little more messy. Third of a mile left of this road, and then we'll just make a left-hand turn once we reach the light. So far we haven't really had any sliding or slipping, so hopefully that continues. Here's our left-hand turn at this light. We'll come to a nice stop. And we did slip just a little bit as we're on a downgrade here, but we did just fine. Came to a nice stop, plenty of room between myself and the other vehicle, and we're making our left-hand turn. And these roads are looking much, much better. You see our front camera's not looking very clean, so maybe when I get to the store, I'll just wipe that down a little bit, give it a little cleanup. I think out here I'm going to go ahead and bump us up to standard mode, so I'm just going to scroll this wheel up a little bit, up to standard. There's our standard mode. So we'll go a little quicker. We'll pull around this vehicle that's parked here on the right. No one's in there, must have broken down. Now we're doing about 31 miles, 32 miles an hour in a 25 mile an hour zone. But the roads are really looking great down the pavement, so I'm feeling comfortable with that. We're about 30 degrees right now, just a couple degrees below freezing. Hopefully there's no black ice here. Right up over the top of this hill, we'll come to a four-way intersection traffic light. And we're going to go straight through. And our front camera's looking very obstructed. We'll see what kind of shape the store parking lot's in. It's probably really bad, but we'll see. You see camera visibility limited, clear all dirt, debris, and water. Because we have got a lot of snow and stuff up there. Even the back camera's looking a little unclear too. Side cameras look great. We've got our left signal on. We'll take a left into the store parking lot, and we'll see how well they've done with cleaning up the parking lot here. And we're waiting for our turn to cross this road and move into the parking lot. And we've entered the parking lot. We're going to be all right. For a parking spot. We might go to the store front and then turn. We'll see if we just park over in this area or if we'll go around to the front of the store and then back up. Looks like we're going to the front of the store. Or maybe we'll park. I think it's actually going to park. It's going to back into a spot. So it looks like we have a takeover immediately. We cannot park. So I'm going to go ahead and take over. I've hit our brake light. And we'll go ahead and park it in the parking spot that it was going to park in. I'm not entirely straight here. So we'll go ahead and move it in. I'll just straighten it out. And there you have it. We've put it in park, and you can see that when you have cameras that have very little visibility, the car will eventually say, you got to take over. So we did take over. We were able to park, and everything was smooth there. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my cameras, and we'll go ahead and do a drive home shortly. Thanks, everyone, and have a great day.